Glad you made it, man. Someone needs our help, and, you're gonna love this. I'd like you to meet Bradford Miles. The Bradford Miles. Grace Note himself.
Been years since anyone's called me that.
So what can my partner and I help you with?
A couple of lowlifes are about to sell a recently stolen item of particular interest to me.
So, we break up the meeting and retrieve the item. Sounds easy enough. Let's go. Mr. Miles doesn't play much anymore, mostly a producer now. Donut Miller, Allison Cat, Papa Charlie, all on his label. On the B-side, he's also a big player in Nola's, burgle industry. Offense. Nothing moves in this town without him knowing. Like this item we're after. According to him, it could be priceless. Gotta be a good beach here.
Damn! You're in the wrong place! We got it! You're in the wrong place! Hell no! He's here! Need a clip!
package out of here!
Need a picture of this.
Many thanks, fellas. If this package is what I think it is, you'll be hearing from me again. Until then... That package you retrieved is exactly what I thought it was. Which means I need you and Alen to scorch some earth. I'll make it worth your while. Already told Alen. He's waiting on you.
Yo, alright. Drive to the address on this matchbook. Just trust me. So that stolen package, it was a trumpet. Stolen from Ronnie, Bluefinger's oaths. Why is that a big deal, you may ask? Long time ago, he and Miles were the best sidemen in town, until... actually, I'll tell you the rest in a second. Let's get to the spot. All right, hang tight for a sec. Okay, follow that van. He's gonna lead us to some, highly volatile materials. But don't let him make you. So, Miles and Blue Fingers. On the scene, up and coming, until Miles breaks his hand in a fight. Never quite recovers. Loses his mojo after that. But that's when they hear the legend of the trumpet. Not just any trumpet. A magic trumpet that they say was gifted to Hot Air Willis at a Delta crossroad by the devil himself. In exchange for his soul. Crazy, right? Hang on, I think we're almost there. Here we go. Take those guys out and get those materials. I'll cover you. Nice, get in. Okay, new destination. Go. So Fingers and Miles go on this whole road trip adventure to find the magic trumpet. Think it'll help Miles get his mojo back. Only they never find it. Fingers finds it. And goes on to become one of the greats. So Fingers enjoys a great jazz career, and Miles, well, he gets by all right, but you see it, right? His friend screwed him and left him behind. And Fingers owes his career to that trumpet. So we're gonna bring his career crashing down, with the help of these materials we're gathering. Speaking of which... All right, do it. All right, let's get this stuff to eat. Oh, man, this is gonna be awesome.
Most excellent! I love fertilizer! Makes your plants radiant and your explosives... explosive. Gentlemen, I give you ridiculously explosive material. This was a rush job, so might want to be a good citizen by driving carefully and obeying all traffic signs and signals.
Got it, E. You're the bomb.
No, that's the bomb.
Ha! Word. All right, playa. To Bluefinger Studios. Showtime. Let's park right up front and then get back.
Nice work for closing on Bluefinger Studios. But with the master tapes destroyed, the value of their vinyl's about to get higher than Allison Cat on a Thursday night. Let's make sure we profit from that.
To the sewing
him down!
Good stuff. In a few months, we can put those records up for online auction and rake in the GDP of a small island nation in hipster money.